Hi all. In this video, let's learn about Page Visibility API, how it helps us and how to use that API. So by using this API, we can avoid performing the unnecessary tasks when the user is not at that active tab, when the document is in not a visible mode. So let's check that with an example. So if you see, this is an normal one page, like I'm playing one video. So I'm playing this video when I'm in active state. You can find the title. It is like a playing. So in sense, it is playing. Okay. So what if I go to another tab? So this is an active tab now. So this video is playing and audio is playing. Okay. So what if I want to switch from this tab to another tab, or if I minimize this browser, or if I open any of other application. So even though this video would be executing, I mean, it would be played in normal scenarios, but is it necessary? Because this is an unwanted or unnecessary task. If I'm not active at this tab, so there are n number of use cases to use this page visibility. If I'm not active at this page or document, so you can pause the animations. There would be a number of animations would be happen at one document or one application. You can pause that animation. You can pause the video if you're not active at this tab, or else you can have a number of things like if there are a WebSocket which consists of multiple hits. If you're trying to use any WebSocket for every each and every second for in the trading applications, you need to hit the backend. You need to get the values as on when. So if you're not active at that page, is it necessary to hit that backend API through the WebSockets and you are getting data? It's waste of resources. We are wasting the resources. We are not using them optimally. So in that case, you can use this page visibility API. So you can stop those WebSocket API calls. You can stop the animation. You can stop the video if you're not active at the document. So apart from this, there are a couple of use cases like if there is any banking domain application, if you're not active at the tab for certain time, you can calculate the time. If you're not active at that time, if you come back to that tab, that the tab would be asking for re login, because it calculates that time and you can relog in, you can go back to the relogin. So with this page API, page visibility API, you can achieve this. You can find out the inactivity time, ideal time of the user when he's not active in this tab, and then you can redirect him to the login page. So even though you can use this page visibility API there as well. So these are the minimal use cases we can use with page API. So let's see with an example. So here I'm running an video. If you observe, it is running at 247 like this in seconds. So if I'm going to another tab wantedly, okay. So now you can observe the title. It was paused. So even I'm using this page visibility API, and also I'm modifying the title as well. So even if I go back to that place, it will start the video from that point, and you can see the title it as playing. So this is a application, a sample application. So let's check how to use this page visibility. So coming to page visibility, so before that we need to understand the fetch API. We all know that fetch API, we use this to make an Ajax request. So you use URL, you'll get the response and the data like this. So to use this fetch API, we are not going to include anything or install anything. So directly we are using this. Why? Because this fetch API is web browser API. It's built on web browser API. It is a web browser API. So you can use this fetch API directly. You don't need to include or install anything. In the similar way, the page visibility API is also a browser API. So you can directly use that. No need to install or include any of the dependencies. So that's the first point. And all the use cases which have I have mentioned, like pausing the animations, pausing the video, and you can stop the web API sockets, and also you can calculate the banking inactivity time logout, and you can stop all the huge calculations which are happening when the user is not at that current tab, and you can stop those calculations when user is not at that current tab. So these are some of the use cases which we are help by using the page visibility API. So coming to how to use that. So we have understood what the page visibility API and what are its use cases. So now let's understand how to implement that. So document.visibilityState, this is a main property we need to hold, we need to have. This property consists of four values like visible, hidden, pre-render, unloaded. So visible, hidden are the two important points we need to understand. At any point, if the user is not at the current tab, then the visible property, then the hidden property would be returned. If he is at the current tab, visible property would be returned. So we need to understand these things. If he is at the current tab, visible would be returned. When you are using visibility state property, it returns visible. If he is not at the active tab, then the hidden would be triggered. Let's check with an example. Here in the HTML have included this one video tag, HTML video tag. And now we need to understand one thing. So an event should be triggered by page visibility API to handle all these changes. When the user is not active in, when he's active in the tab, and when he switches to another tab, or when he closes the browser, or when he opens any of the other applications, then this visibility change event would be triggered. The page visibility API will trigger this visibility change event. So we are responsible to handle that event. So here is how I have handling this event. So as on when the user is switching from active tab to the other tab, then this event would be triggered. Again, if we come back to that active tab, then also this event visibility change would be triggered in both the cases, whether he is going to hidden state, or going from active to other tabs, or again he is coming back to the active tab. In both the cases, page visibility API would be triggering this visibility change event. So here we are responsible to how to handle that. That would be our business use case, how to handle the business. So what all the things we need to check? So in this add event listener, first would be the event, and the second would be the function. When this event was occurred, what function should be executed? So this is a normal execution, like dom dot add event listen should be used here. So here, when this event is executed, again I'm checking. Here I have said there are four properties: visible and hidden are the main properties. So when again I'm checking here with this document.visibilityState, I'm verifying whether it is hidden or not. So when I verify the document.visibilityState, if it returns, if it is equal to hidden, what does it mean? We are not at active at that page. So what I'm doing here, I'm changing the document title, I'm keeping that as paused, and I'm pausing the video. So this is for the small use case. This may be the small use case, but to understand how the page visibility API works, I'm trying to explain this. So it's up to us to get this event, visibility change event, and we can write what logic we need here. So when the document is not hidden, when this returns true, it means you're not active at that tab. So here I'm pausing the video and changing the document. If again I come back to the active tab, it means that I'm not an active tab here. When this if executes, I'm not in the tab, I'm somewhere in the other tab or in some other application. Now, if I come back to that active tab, then the document.visibilityState will return visible. So it is not equal to hidden now. It will return visible state. So that's the reason I will be getting into the else state, where I will change the document title to the playing. And also I'm starting earlier I have paused the video, right? Now I'm trying to start the play the video from where it was paused. So this video is HTML 5 tag, video play tag. There is nothing much to learn or understand on that point. So just it's like a pausing the video manually, or playing a video manually. So this is all about the page visibility API. So also there are a couple of APIs built on top of page visibility API. For example, if you see this visibility JS, so this is one of the dependency npm I install visibility JS. This is built on top of page visibility API. So all these things, I mean page visibility API, these dependency or package or library, it was built on top of page visibility API. It will provide an ease to use this API. That's it. And also if you want to use in the reactjs, we have the same react page visibility API. This is a dependency, and also this is also built on top of page visibility API. So it would be like an hook where you can install straight away like this, and it provides an hook like this. So thereafter you can implement whatever business logic you want. But underlying structure would be it is built on top of page visibility API. So that's the core point, and you can use you can import this hook and you can work as a your wish. So that's it about the page visibility API. Hope you understand the video. So if you have any doubts or any clarifications needed on any of other topics, please comment out below the video so that I can pick those topics in the next upcoming videos and I will try to explain them. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks.